In Bayumbong, Nueva Ecija, several kilos of bell peppers were discarded by the roadside following a similar incident with tomatoes. According to the Department of Agriculture, or DA, the produce was left to rot after a trader who had promised to buy it failed to show up. The DA plans to monitor and blacklist such traders who leave farmers in a bind. They are also working to process the affected products to add value. Additionally, the Sugar Regulatory Board, or SRA, has increased fees for imported sweeteners to support local farmers and boost the domestic sugar industry.
Din ng tamang monitoring ang ating trading post para i-blacklist ba itong mga traders na ito, kasi kawawa naman yung mga farmer na nakomit na nila yung kanilang produkto tapos bigla sila hindi dadating. So ito yung mga polisiya na sana ay ma-strengthen nung ating mga trading post na nabigyan ng assistance ng Department of Agriculture.